successful in the detailing business, mastering technical expertise is crucial. At Carglaw Detailing Academy in Chennai, we will provide all the required skill set to its students. This involves understanding the intricate techniques of detailing, selecting the right tools, and using high-quality products to achieve exceptional results. It's about getting into the nitty-gritty of the craft, ensuring every detail is perfect. This foundation of knowledge sets the stage for delivering outstanding service that meets the high expectations of discerning clients. Hands-on experience is equally important in mastering the art of detailing. Engaging with industry experts provides invaluable practical training, ensuring you are well-versed in the real-world aspects of the job. Safety practices are paramount. Learning to handle chemicals and equipment safely is essential for maintaining professional standards and protecting both yourself and your clients. This practical knowledge is the backbone of a successful detailing career. Beyond technical skills, understanding business fundamentals is vital. Programs often cover pricing strategies, marketing tactics, and sales techniques, which are essential for standing out in a competitive market. These skills help you build a successful detailing business, whether you're working in an established shop or starting your own venture. Mastering these business aspects ensures your services are not only top-notch, but also profitable. Certification from a reputable training center enhances your credibility in the detailing industry. It showcases your skills and opens doors to various career opportunities. In a field where competition is fierce, having strong certification gives you an undeniable edge over less trained detailers. This industry recognition is a testament to your expertise and commitment to excellence, making you a sought-after professional. Networking and mentorship are pivotal for growth in the detailing industry. Carglaw training programs often provide opportunities to connect with other detailers and industry professionals, expanding your knowledge base and building valuable relationships. Access to expert guidance from seasoned instructors offers insights that can propel your career forward, helping you navigate challenges and seize opportunities in the industry. Investing in detailing training at Carglaw fosters both personal and professional growth. It transforms a passion for cars into a rewarding career path with potential for continuous learning. By mastering the art of detailing, you enhance customer satisfaction and cultivate a loyal customer base that appreciates exceptional service. This commitment to excellence is essential for long-term success in this dynamic industry. In Module 2, we dive into the essentials of paint correction. This module is designed to enhance your detailing skills. You'll explore the basics of car paint layers, including the base coat and clear coat. You will be learning on inspecting the paint panels and finding out what is swirl mark and how to remove it. Also, how to use clay bar and benefits of claying on the paint panels. Learn how to measure paint thickness with a gauge meter. Discover various paint correction pads from medium to heavy cut and the compounds used. Also discuss about the backing plates. Understand when and where to use each pad with appropriate pad for optimal results. Gain 20 hours of hands-on experience with polishing machines. Learn to handle brands like Flex, Roops, Dynabraid, and Bosch effectively. You will practice with 2 houses on 3 bars, 0, 5 and 6 pads during the training with all brands of machines. Master advanced sanding techniques on paint panels. Learn to remove swirls, scratches, and oxidation, elevating your detailing expertise. You will be learning on wet sanding and which conditions are required before choosing wet sanding on paint panels. We will teach you what is headlight restoration and what is the process for effective headlight restoration. In this module, you will be learning how to do paint correction and polishing on bike as well cars. We will teach you what type of towels required during the paint correction time and how to wash the pads after completion of paint correction job on vehicle. At the end of this module, we will discuss how to maintain vehicle after delivering from the showroom. In this module, you'll dive into the fascinating world of car coatings, which is hot cake in the detailing industry, which are known as paint protection products. Discover how these protective layers can enhance your vehicle's appearance and longevity. Explore various coatings like ceramic, graphene, and glass. What are the advantages and benefits of it to the vehicles? Also, we will discuss the best brands and their durability. Carglaw will supply all the coatings and detailing products to its students. So students no need to worry from where you can get all these products. Graphene coating and ceramic coating. Each offers unique benefits, from durability to rain repellency. Learn what sets ceramic and graphene coatings apart. After this training, you will understand what is the difference between graphene and ceramic coatings. Before applying any coating, preparation is key. You'll learn the essential steps to ready your car's surface. You will learn how to prepare the vehicle for the coatings using isopropyl alcohol and proper toweling. You will be trained perfectly before start applying the coatings. Then, master the techniques for applying ceramic coating, graphene coating, glass coating, trim coating, and alloy coatings effectively. Each student will be allowed to do this independently with the help of trainer. We will teach you what are the safety precautions before applying the coatings on the vehicle. Understanding curing time is crucial for optimal results. After attending this training program, every student will understand how to apply the coating professionally. For any type of questions, Carglaw support will be available after the training. After application, proper inspection and maintenance ensures your coating lasts. Discover tips to maintain your vehicle's shine and durability. We'll debunk myths about 2 and 3 layer ceramic coatings. Plus, find out where to purchase these products if you're interested in trying them yourself. Get ready to transform your car care routine.